Wings of Love's creator, Yvonne Patterson, is a horticulturalist and rainforest photojournalist, and she's created a sparkling, innovative way for us to learn about the essential connection between the rainforests, our planet's natural resources, and the harmony we'll find in nurturing the Earth's family of life. Using the inherent beauty and intelligence of rare birds, Yvonne has developed a captivating live presentation that connects with the extraordinary animals that we share our world with. Wings of Love is dazzling educational entertainment for your corporate, school, and church event, birthday party, or scouting function. It's fascinating fun for all ages. Wings of Love. Birds of a feather, learning together.